So here we have the question, what is the greatest common factor of 12x cubed and 28x to the fifth? First, what is a common factor? A factor is the numbers that are multiplied together to reach that number. So the factors of 12 are 1. 1 multiplies with what to get to 12? It multiplies with 12. 1 times 12 is 12. These are two factors. 2. 2 times what equals 12? 2 times 6 equals 12. 3. 3 times what equals 12? 3 times 4 equals 12. So these are your factors, of course. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12 are the factors that make 12. Let's look at 28. What factors make 28? 1. 1, of course, is almost always a factor. And the other one is 28. 1 times 28 equals 28. 2 times 14 equals 28. 3 times nothing equals 28. 4 times 7 equals 28. 5 times nothing equals 28. 6 times nothing equals 28. And 7 times 4. So we have completed all of our factors of 28 and all of our factors of 12. Which one is the greatest common factor? Sometimes abbreviated GCF. Is it 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 12? That's a tough one. I'm going to say the greatest common factor is 4, because as you can see, it is in both of the numbered factors. So our greatest common factor is 4. But these are polynomials, and there's also an x in both numbers. We have x to the third. And here we have x to the fifth. X to the fifth, of course, is x to the third times x to the second. So also, x to the third is a common factor. So when we factor out our 4, we also factor out our x to the cube. So that is the greatest common factor of 12x cubed and 28x to the fifth. We could factor that by going 4x3 times 3 times 3. This equals 12x to the third. And of course 28 is 4x to the third times 7x to the second. And this is the factoring of this. Now we've changed this to a problem that we can factor. We know that the greatest common factor is 4x cubed. So we take this, and of course 4x cubed times the quantity 3 plus 7x squared. And we have factored out the 4x cubed from this statement.